Wow! Dad, can I please play on it? It's so cool.
I understand, buddy, but we really need to wait until later for that.
It's important.
Hello? I can't talk right now. I'm with Ryan. Is everything okay?
Oh no, I'm so sorry. Oh no. Please work. Please, please.
All right, I'm back. Huh? Where did it go? What happened, son?
Nothing, Dad. I'm okay. Just tired.
Where could it be?
Oh.
Not here.
Oh.
I'm starting to get worried. I should have known better. I'm sorry.
Ryan, sweetheart, are you all right? David, can you help me understand what's going on?
I saw you take the cookie, I did, but I'm sure it was an accident.
I needed that. It's not here. You were right, Dad. It is important. I am so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. Sorry about that. I really messed things up this time.
I never meant to cause any harm. But I do need to tell you what really happened.
I didn't mean to break it, Dad, I swear.
I know, honey. It's okay. We can fix it.
It's okay, Ryan. You're completely safe now. Just breathe, everything is going to be all right. The most important thing to remember is to stay true to yourself. And that's something you'll always have.
Your father told me. Everything will be okay. I believe in you, Ryan.
Don't worry, Ryan. It's okay. We can absolutely fix this together.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much.
Never forget this lesson, Ryan. It's the most important thing I can teach you. I hope you remember it.
You've got this, Ryan. I know, Dad. I do.